Umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi wethule umkhankaso weGreen eSedebeng eVereeniging njengengxenye yohlelo lukahulumeni lokulwa nodlame olweyemene nobulili nokubulawa kwabantu besifazane bebulawa abantu abahlekisana nabo noma ababaganile. Lomkhankaso weGreen yizikhungo zokuphepha zabantu besifazane abahlukumezekile eziqhele ngebanga elingama-5 km ukusuka ekamu lamaphoyisa kuya lapho behlala khona. Lezi zikhungo belulekwa ngokwengqondo bese bedluliselwa esiteshini samaphoyisa eseduze bese bevula amacala. Uphiko lweyindaba ze-SABC luxoxisane nowengamele Lomnyango eGauteng.
They are a one-stop center that helps women, especially in areas where a police station is very far. If a woman gets, or a woman is actually becoming victimized, sometimes it takes longer as they wait for police. Sometimes they are then forced to keep her at home whilst they wait for the police. If we have such places in communities, then they act as a medium of ensuring that our women are not victimized further. There's not what we call secondary victimization, but we're able to assist them very quickly and police to respond very quickly also to come to the scene and be able to be of help and remove that victim and be able to take her to the victim empowerment center that is at the police station, get other help, whether it is the forensic social workers or if it has to do with referring them to Bara at the Intabiseng, then they will have to refer them to Bara or any nearest hospital that then does the work, especially your FCS. Then that case gets taken over by the detectives specifically dedicated to gender-based violence and or rapes or any other thing.